explain myself. You said you care for me, said you be there for me, cry for me.
Murder on the beat.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Then here, so for today we're gonna be doing like a Coachella inspired kind of look, and yeah, I've already done my brows and my foundation. So if you want to see an updated brow routine, just let me know down below. I'm starting by like priming my lid and making a smooth base so that it'll be easier for me to blend, and I'm using the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette to start doing that. And yeah, just blend. And I'm gonna go in and use my Juvia's Place, the mascara palette in the shade Sogo. And yeah, that's gonna create like a nice smooth transition color for me. And yeah, now I'm gonna go in my Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette in the shade Amethyst and deepen it up. And I'm gonna use my LA Girl concealer to create a, what is it called, a cut crease. Yeah, and then I'm gonna powder it up, making sure it's all smooth and dry. Then I'm gonna blend and make sure I correct any mess that I created. And I'm gonna use my NYX pigments in those shades on the screen. I forgot what they're called, but yeah. The blue shade is kind of like dual tone, so it shifts when I shift into like a silvery color, so it seems like it's not that pigmented, but trust me, it is. And then the purple one is monochrome, so yeah, that one doesn't shift, it comes out as it is. You guys see that fallout? At this point I was kind of like regretting why I did my foundation first, which I never do. It's so weird. So now I'm using like this dusty rose color, it's kind of like a pink, and I'm gonna just put that in the middle of the blue and the purple, so there's a nice transition. You guys, I'm like totally regretting why I did my foundation first, but we're gonna fix that with concealer later on. So now I'm blending that first shade we used in the beginning to make it pop more, and then I'm gonna go in with my Nicole Guerrero Anastasia Beverly Hills kit and use that Forever Lit shade in my inner corner duct. I use the shade Maqueta from my Juvia's Place palette to make my outer corner purple pop more. Now I'm using my NYX gold liner to just line my eyes and yeah, make it, you know, masquerade-y. That's what we're going for. It's festival season, like, yes girl. Speaking of festival season, did you guys see Beyonce's performance at Coachella? Like, oh my goodness. Now I'm gonna use like my blue NYX liner. It's jewel tone too. It's like a blue purpley shade and it sparkles. I'm gonna go back in my Huda palette and use the shade Cosmo and put it right under the blue liner. Then I'm gonna use a black liner right above my lashes so my fake lashes can blend more. And I'm gonna also use my mascara by Too Faced and getting those babies. And yeah, we go ahead and conceal our face and get rid of that pigment that was annoying the hell out of me. Now we're gonna contour our face and make it snatched. Blend, 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 and blend for your life, girl, because this matters. This is what makes your face look poppin'. So if you don't blend, then what are you doing? Blend, 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 blend. Now I'm gonna use my lashes. These are nameless, probably brandless too, but yeah. Then I'm gonna pop those babies on and blend them in. See, the black liner makes things blend more, but then I'm gonna go back with my gold liner to go over it because my glue, the one I use, is hair glue and it just got stuck. So yeah, I'm gonna fix that. Then I'm gonna use my Sasha Buttercup powder to go over the places that I concealed. And now I'm gonna just set my contour too. You guys, I hate the way like my under eye is set up right now because like I made my concealer sit for too long, so it dried up and now the powder isn't doing anything. I really like don't know what's wrong with me today, but anyways, I'm gonna go in my glow kit and use the shade bronze and just highlight. And I'm gonna also go in my Nicole Guerrero one and use Forever Lit and top it off the bronzed shade from the glow kit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set everything and melt all the powders into each other with my Fix Plus. Yes, girl, look at me, feeling myself. Ayy. Then I'm gonna use my lip gloss from Smashbox called Fuchsia Light. You guys are always seeing me use the Bare Light one. Today I'm using Fuchsia Light. Rihanna had your girl all messed up with that price for the Puff Puff Pass, whatever. So your girl went ahead and dug in her archives and found a Tarte Body Glistening Glow, blah, whatever. So that's what we're using. We're using Tarte today. Don't get me wrong, I stan Rihanna. But anyways, this is the end of my video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, see you in my next video.
Hit them angles. It's a short life.